In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the VLC error that says codec not supported, step by step, so you can get your videos playing again without frustration. This is a very common issue in VLC Media Player, and the good news is that most of the time it can be fixed in just a few minutes using the right settings. Whether you're opening a downloaded video, a screen recording, or a file from a camera or phone, this guide will walk you through the most effective solutions. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you should always do when you see a codec not supported error in VLC is update VLC to the latest version. Older versions of VLC may not include the newest codecs needed to decode modern video formats. To update, open VLC Media Player, click on Help in the top menu, and then select Check for Updates. If an update is available, download and install it, then restart VLC. In many cases, simply updating fixes the problem immediately because the new version includes updated codec support. If updating VLC doesn't solve the issue, the next step is to convert the video into a format that VLC fully supports. VLC can actually convert videos itself, so you don't need extra software. Open VLC, click on Media, then choose Convert or Save. Click Add and select the video file that's giving you the error. Once the file is added, click Convert or Save at the bottom. Choose MP4 as the output format, select a destination folder, and click Start. After the conversion finishes, try playing the new file. MP4 is widely supported and works well in VLC in most situations. The third fix is to enable hardware-accelerated decoding. This allows VLC to use your system's hardware to help decode video files more efficiently. To do this, click on Tools, then Preferences. Make sure you are in Simple Settings mode, then click on Input and Codecs. Look for Hardware Accelerated Decoding and set it to Automatic. Click Save and restart VLC. This setting can resolve codec errors caused by decoding limitations, especially on high-resolution or high bitrate videos. If you're still seeing the codec not supported error, the next thing to try is changing the video output module. Sometimes VLC struggles with certain output modes depending on your graphics driver. Go to Tools, then Preferences, and click on the Video tab. Under Output, try switching between options like DirectX, OpenGL, or Automatic. Click Save after each change and restart VLC to test the video. One of these output modules usually works better depending on your system. By following these steps, updating VLC, converting the video, enabling hardware acceleration, and changing the video output module, you can fix the vast majority of VLC codec not supported errors. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and practical fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.